Okay, we're going to check in division with a reminder. Remember that to solve division, you have to use or you have to follow the 5 steps of division. What are the 5 steps of division? Divide, the first step, multiply, subtract, compare, and bring down. If you follow these 5 steps of division, you can divide. So we're going to start the power of division 2, the divisor, the dividend, and the answer, remember, is the quotient. The answer is always in the top part. So we're going to divide, applying the 5 steps of division, and then we're going to check. To check it's easy. Only you're going to add the answer plus the divisor, and you get the dividend. So we're going to do one example for this. So we're going to start. 47 divided by 8. So to this division, you have to remain the table of 8. You have to think in a number that multiplied by 8, the product is be 47. If you remember the table of number 8, you find that you don't have a 47 in the table of number 8, but you have a number that closer to 47. If you remain, what is this number? You find it that its number is 5, because 5 times 8 is 40. You divide. This number that multiplied by 8 is closer to 47, 5. And then next step is multiply. 5 times 8 is 40. You write 40 and then continue, subtract. 47 minus 40, the difference is 7. If you compare, this is the next step, compare 7 to 8, the 7 is less than 8. The answer is correct. Okay? So, this number is called reminder. Yeah, the reminder. The reminder, we're going to use it to check. First, you multiply quotient, that is the answer, times the divisor. 5 times 8, if you remember, is 40. So, and then we have a reminder, so we're going to add 7 plus 7. If you add 40 plus 7, the answer is 47. So, this answer must be equal to the dividend. If equal, the check is correct. Yeah? We're going to solve another exercise. Yeah? We have 17 divided by 5. Again, we're going to use the 5 step of division again. So, if you're thinking in the table of number 5, you have to think, okay, a number that multiplied by 5 that is closer to 17. It's not exactly, because 17 is not in the table of 5. Yeah? But it's closer. So, what is this number? If you're thinking in the table of number 5, is the number 3. Write number 3, yeah, above number 7, because you take 2 digits, yeah, and then multiply. Remember, when you divide, when you think in this number, you divide, you use the first step, and then we're going to see the second step, this multiply. 3 times 5 is 15. And you, next step is subtract. 17 minus 15 is 2. If you compare, 2 is less than 5. Always the remainder must be less than 5, less than the divisor. In this case, it's 2 is less than 5. So bring down, it's not using because we don't have another digit. So that's the remainder. So we're going to check again. We take the answer, that is 3, the quotient. We're going to multiply by divisor, 5. And then multiply 3 times 5 is 15. And then we have reminder, we're going to add 2. 15 plus 2 is 17. If you compare 17 with another 17, that is correct.